Good morning, good evening. Welcome back to Enchanted Rides and Drives. Well, I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico today. I'm at a special place. This is Guthrie's Garage. So grand opening tour. Check it out, I'm here with the Mustang Club, Rio Grande Mustang Club here. Mr. Jim has given us a private walkthrough today, showing us the shop. Check it out, he's got some pretty cool cars in here. Check out this Aston Martin right here. Absolutely gorgeous. I would love to take this thing out. It's a DBS. Looks an awful like my F-Type. Well, being both British, even down to the exhaust pipes. Beautiful car. I'd love to take it out for a spin. Check out that carbon fiber roof. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Let's go on inside here and check everything out and give you a quick tour of the showroom here, and then we'll walk through the shop. Door kind of heavy. All right, let's start down here. Got a Chevy two-door Bel Air. Beautiful tan and white. I love it with the turquoise and tan interior. And we got a 428 Cobra Jet and a Ford Torino GT. Love these Torinos, you just don't see them very often. Used to be pretty popular back in the day, you just don't find them anymore. The MG Roadster, I believe this is Jim's wife's car. Cool little Roadster. Custom F-150 Lightning. And it is completely customized. I'd love to take this truck for a spin. That K-Bell supercharger on there. This thing screams. SS Big Block 454. El Camino right here.
I had one and they finally gave up, so I had to get the other one that's got a little bend and if you can do back to it now. But I don't know that thing. I said, no, I think back here was in the bed and everything.
So, this is a beautiful waiting room. If you ever had to wait for something, I would really like to wait here. If the doctor's office looked like this, I would actually go to the doctor's office. But it's pretty cold and nasty in doctor's offices. But let's go back here and check out the shop. Starting on the right there, you got that Challenger, followed by the Buick, 93 Cobra, Jim's Mustang. Got a Mercury Cougar, Ford Bronco, another one of Jim's Mustangs, 53 pickup there, and then you got all Jim's Mazdas over there, Mazda Miatas. I know he drives that 27 right there with the Guthrie on there. That's his personal one. I like that Buick over there. Corvette, Camaro and a Mustang, the 32 Ford over there. Big Cadillac, two-tone pink and with a white top. And then you got a Mercedes SL. I believe that is a 280 over there. We'll go check that out in a minute. Looks like that's in a beautiful wine red. Or I don't know what the hell you call that. Chardonnay.
TCI front end. We're ready for it to go home, and he shows up and says, go ahead and do the rear now. So we got the rear shipped on Friday, so it'll have a full 4-link, and it'll be a very cool chassis complete now on this one.
I just like the big wheel.
The only problem is that they put a Chevy motor in it. That's okay. They originally built it, it had a Chrysler front end torsion bar, and he said every time he drove it, it tried to kill him, so he didn't drive it much. Now he's hoping he can actually drive it and enjoy it. It's the Mustang 2 style front end that TCI makes. So we did a full front frame clip. I found an old frame. It's actually a 53 1-ton, so it's a 3/16 frame instead of 8-inch. So it's even heavy duty. And put it all back to stock and then welded the TCI to it. Yeah, I think it's a little low in the front, so we're gonna probably have to put the standard spindle back on. It's got a 2-inch drop spindle now. Standard would probably make it sit a little better, but we're gonna wait till we get the rear done. And then over here we've got the Ford versus Chevy going on. We've got a 69 Camaro Trans Am that we put the front frame in, and old Rico It's a narrowed rear end. It's got a Ford diff in it. It's got to put a 5-speed in it. All the TCI stuff. This is just epoxy. We blasted it and epoxy it, and we do everything over the epoxy.
It was on the ground last time I was here.
Yeah.
This was nice.
Sweet. Little rust repair. And then we put the factory spot welds back in it, so it looks all original. Even inside the wheel well there too. A little bit of rust repair, so had to do a spot welds back on it.
69 you said?
69. Yep. Never met the owner, just talked to him on the phone. He's in North Dakota.
I'll send it to you.
Yeah, guess what he did. We got another probably 3 months with it left on it. Coming together pretty quick. And here's that little Sunbeam project. Engine's sitting over there on the floor, ready to go. It's a 260 V8 4-barrel.
How cool, man.
Yeah.
That's going to be such a panic to drive.
He upped for the 5-speed. They make a Trinic 5-speed for it with the shifter that comes out the stock hole.
Oh, nice.
It's going to be really sweet. And then we put a posi diff in it. Oh man.
Sorry, that flash.
Sunbeam? Oh yeah.
No, this one. This one, going up the Crestwood, all these deep.
Just drift it all the way.
That's yours.
I just haven't taken mine up here yet since I bought it. It must be.
I did used to drive for
Did you
Mr.
say this
Dallas
is a local owner?
on their commercials.
Yeah, I think this is the 6th car we've done for him. A couple of Porsches, BMW. First, he's an attorney.
Oh, I know.
He's got his own little car place just off of sale.
Oh, that would be the one to take on.
He used to do the show. Fall.
Oh, that's my other neighbor. He's got the F40.
Oh, that was Gary.
That's a big, wide, heavy. So I think I might actually take a 302 and build it so it's just modern, everything else aluminum. 8,000. Yeah, make it scream.
Thanks.
This is a garage. It does everything. Hey, I've been down here.
59 Cadillac.
There's one in Minneapolis.
Got your welders, frame machines, wheels, English wheeler, metal stamps, drills, skill saws.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm getting to the end of the walkthrough here. I hope you like it. It's a pretty awesome shop. Got some great equipment here. These guys do some awesome work. I can personally vouch for these guys. I had some incidents with my '09 Glasstop Mustang, the silver one known as Crystal. Took it to these guys, man. They painted her right up, man. She looks almost brand new, like factory brand new. So personally, I can vouch for these guys. Give them a call, hit them up if you need them. But it's that time, guys. I'm gonna see you in the streets.